If you have Vivo Y19 5G smartphone and you want to set a fingerprint lock in the smartphone, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, select security and privacy, select device unlocking, and then select fingerprint. Now you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already set this, then you can skip this part. Otherwise, select pattern, pin or password. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Click on never show and then click on done. Click on start enrollment. Click on agree and then place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor, and then keep on lifting your finger to add the different parts of your fingerprint. Keep on tapping on the sensor like this. After this, click on done. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint in Vivo Y19 5G smartphone.